Henan Palm Resort ang isa daw sa mga best breakfast buffet sa Boracay. We stayed here for 4 days para i-celebrate ang birthday ng toddler namin. We're happy and satisfied pagdating sa amenities, quality of service, at itong breakfast buffet ng Henan ang masasabi kong isa sa mga highlight ng stay namin. On their main course station, you'll find the tapas, which is good. And then the next day, pinalta naman ito ng tocino and then pork adobo. There's also pasta and then replaced by a pancit the next day. There's also a great selection of fish, chicken, and veggies. Meron ding pancakes, waffles, and croffles. At kung gusto mo ng something warm like lugaw, meron din sila. Plus, soup of the day. And not your typical champurrado, this green one. At meron ding ube champurrado kinabukasan. Meron ding pickled at salad station. At syempre, itong fruits in season. I am amazed sa kanilang bread and pastry station. To name a few, meron silang cheesy ensaymada, assorted muffins, at ube cheese pandesal na hindi tinipid. Isa sa mga paborito ko itong assorted breads at homemade spreads. Not on this video, pero panalo rin ang drinks offers nila. Overall, masarap at marami ang food choices at actually hanggang lunch, busog ka na.